bowling round his legs. So Cook's innings is over. It's been a brilliant performance by the England captain. He's gone for 137, and Ajmal is the man who's undone it.
Yeah, he saw him very early planting the leg for a sweep and really darted that ball.
We wondered how he plays. He tries to use his feet. Eggmel's just too good.
Absolutely wonderful delivery from Ajmal, but what a great take from Chris Reed as well.
Too good, yes. Comes through the defences of Shahid Afridi. So the decision to bring in Afridi hasn't worked. Ajmal picks up 4.
He's a class apart, this man. It's the regulation off spinner. It wasn't picked by Afridi.
Oh, he's played on! And he's almost knocked Kamran Akmal with a bat swing in frustration. This is what Ajmal does. Just come across, change the game, 64 for 2. Played on. Rohit Sharma looking for the cut shot. The ball came back.
Huge game for him because of what happened in St Lucia. We keep banging on about it, but mentally he must have earmarked this game when he saw it. Right, we're going to England to play Australia in 2 2020s. I want to perform, and he did.
And what they did to him in that T20 semi-final, I mean, he really did had the better of the tail. But importantly, I think the wicket of Warner turned the game in favour of Pakistan, and the tail in the end had no clue about his Dusra, the straighter one, which it disguises so well.
Got him, picked him up, back pad, Ajmal in the game. He's never too far away from getting in.
Out, says the umpire.
The blinder again.
And brought him! Batting conditions.
That stays low. Those big shots.
Oh, gone! Wow, wow, wow. Saeed Ajmal has bowled a beauty. Who can you call on? Saeed Ajmal. Well, they've gone for the appeal and given by...
Oh, yes!
Cleaned him up. But they don't.
Tries to catch it. They like that Pakistan. Up goes the finger as well. Got it. He's picked him out.
Brilliant. Quite brilliant from Ajmal. Bowling. He's gone through with a dusha.
Oh, that's got to be close. Yes, up goes the fingers.
Big appeal. And gone. Warner knew it, didn't he?